things on behalf of the Methodist Church of Puerto Rico and our word of gratitude to the United Methodist Church. The situation in Puerto Rico, the best word that can describe the situation is the word catastrophic. One of our churches here in San Juan prepare meals every day. At present, in the first 10 days, more than 2,400 meals are being prepared by the people of San Pablo Methodist Church in Barrio Obrero. Our local churches are community of hopes, the hope of the gospel. When we transform the situation that we are living in our island in this moment. We are committed with that. We need to maintain our spiritual strengths to serve the people of Puerto Rico to reconstruction of the island. Then our recommendation is that we need to improve the support of the government of the United States, FEMA, using military authorities and military capabilities to accelerate the coming of support to Puerto Rico. The principal needs that we have in Puerto Rico is water, meals. We need batteries. We need a lot of things. But one manner to continue the support to Puerto Rico is through UNCORD, United Methodist Commission Relief. Your support, your financial support to UNCORD, or your financial support to the Methodist Church of Puerto Rico or reace.org, our social holiness agency, is the manner, the better manner that we can receive the support that we need to have here in Puerto Rico.